Paano ako nakapagpa-increase ng aking credit limit sa aking Union Bank Rewards credit card? Watch this video. Hi mga sisis, this is Trixie and I usually talk about personal finance at 1 year na akong gumagamit nitong Union Bank Rewards credit card and so far wala pa naman akong nagiging problem. So after a year, tumaas na yung credit limit ko. Nag-automatic credit limit increase sila because number one, I'm a good payer and number two, palagi kong ginagamit yung card. So I highly recommend na pag nakapag-apply kayo ng card na to, you should always use it and you should always pay in full. Ano ko nga ba napataasan yung credit limit ko? Actually, hindi naman ako nag-request, sila lang bigla yung nagtaas ng credit limit ko. So, usually naman, kahit sa different credit card, once na nag 1 year ka na and you are a good payer and nakikita naman ng bank na okay yung mga transactions mo, sila mismo yung magpapataas ng iyong credit limit. Pero in case na hindi ka nila tinataasan, you can still email them or call them. Ako personally, ginagawa ko talaga yung email and minsan tumatawag ako kasi may mga instances na kunyari pupunta ka ng ibang bansa and you need a higher credit limit para pang shopping, ganyan. You can call them right away and then maghihintay ka ng mga 3 business days para mataasan nila yung credit limit mo. Ano yung thoughts ko about Union Bank Rewards credit card? This is really good for beginners at hindi ko kailangan problemahin yung annual fee kaya mai-recommend ko siya sa inyo. So if you want to have one, the Union Bank Rewards credit card, meron akong link sa bio. All you have to do is go to my profile, click the link in my bio, and then meron dong Union Bank Rewards application. Mag-a-apply lang kayo doon for them to approve you. So, apply now. Don't forget to like and follow for more.